Hello my friends, this is the video that I made on Palantir on December 25th of last year, when the price of this asset was, as you can see right here, at $82.38. And my main assumption at this very point was that we were forming a couple of quite bearish candles. It is a hanging man and shooting star. And because of this, and because of other several signs, I told you that we have to see a cool down, at least a short-term cool down for its price action. And guys, take a look right here. We were at this point, and since then we went lower. To the lowest point, this asset lost about 12.5% of its value, and for now we are hovering again at around $79.89. And this is another evidence of the power of technical analysis. And if you want to know more about technical analysis, if you want to enhance your trading skills, feel free to subscribe to my YouTube channel and to join my Patreon account, where for the $35 a month you will be able to drastically enhance your trading skills. On top of that, guys, for the first 100 subscribers, I will do a giveaway. I will do a technical analysis based on your request on any asset that you might find. On top of that, guys, and it is the most lucrative offer, for now there is not so many people inside the Discord group. That is why almost 100% of my time will be dedicated to you, and it is pretty much one-on-one training for the value of $450 a month, but for the fraction of this cost, for just $35 a month. And I think it is quite fair deal.
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up.
So guys, and let's take a look again at its price action. I have to admit that this asset is on fire from the mid of last year. From this lowest point, basically for the entire year, this asset went higher for more than 400%. And from the middle of this year, this asset went to the upside for 300%. And guys, the most recent movement was quite parabolic. And that is why, guys, this asset has to have a cool down. Everything I will show you in just several minutes, and let me show you the general sentiment for this asset. If you type in Google search bar Palantir stock and switch to news tab folder, you will not find a lot of most recent news that might support its next movement to the upside. And I have to admit that the more news, the more positive news we have related to Palantir, the less impact they can add to the price of Palantir in general. And let me show you that even Arnie Tracy, one of the bulls of Palantir, he is pretty much quiet for the last several days, and I have to admit that we don't have a lot of substantial news that might continue its movement to the upside. And on top of that, guys, take a look right here. We have an additional data for this chart. As you can see, we have pretty much the same level of institutional investors who hold their positions on Palantir. And this means, guys, without an increasing number of these positions, we cannot sustain this type of price action anymore. And that is why, guys, in my opinion, Palantir has to have a cool down. And this is another evidence of its potential, at least medium-term downtrend. Guys, to be honest, I told you multiple times that I hold Palantir for a long period of time. My average price is somewhere below $15 mark, and that is why, guys, I'm in green for mind-boggling numbers, and I still hold this position. On top of that, guys, I hold my hedge position on Palantir. And if you want to know more how to hedge your position, you can find it out in my Discord server, and you can have an access for this for just $35 a month. And guys, let's continue with the technical analysis. But before we dive deeper right here, please subscribe to my channel, hit notification bell, and hit the like button. This helps me a lot. So guys, first of all, let me show you the most recent bearish signs. We are, as you can see right here, on a daily time frame, and from mid of November of this year, this asset is consistently forming lower highs on the RSI with the higher highs on the price section. And this is a clear evidence of bearish divergence of RSI. This means in upcoming days and weeks we might have this trend reversal. On top of that, guys, let me remind you that the range that will confirm its short-term trend reversal is this one, about $70 mark. On the one hand, it is a round number by itself. On the other hand, guys, we have a clear range of support right here. Let me mark it for you with horizontal line, not horizontal line, but horizontal ray, I would say. From this range, if this asset breaks this range, and when this asset breaks this range, guys, I have no doubts that it might happen within the next, let's say, couple of weeks. It will be a confirmation of its retracement to the fourth wave, and the fourth wave might be found somewhere, the bottom of the fourth wave might be found somewhere here. And let me show you what ranges we might hit. As you can see, guys, we formed 5 waves to the upside with an extension in the 5th wave, and it is only a third internal wave that is forming from this bottom, from May 15. And if I pull the Fib retracement tool from this point to its highest point so far, guys, take a look right here. We have a very good confluence of 0.236 with our range of support. It is $69.88 and pretty much $70, as I mentioned just several minutes ago. On top of that, guys, the second range of support is in this previous swing low, and it is $60 mark. Again, round number by itself. The price action that was here as the range that acted right here as the range of support, and somewhere from the range of let's say 0.32 from $60 mark, we might have a trend reversal. And guys, from our current price, we might have this movement to the downside that will lose about 25% of its value. And from its highest point, from the range of about $83, this asset might reduce its price by almost 30%. And guys, it is just a natural cycle of any type of assets. You will not find any assets, let me show you like this, you will not find any assets that will go, let me show you like right here, that will go to the upside parabolically, and then it will go like this, pretty straightforward in the same exact range of price range. It has to have this movement to the upside, but then, guys, it has to have a cool down in order to accumulate more steam to hit higher targets. And this is, guys, this is, let me delete these tools, this is the blueprint of my price action for Palantir. Let me show you in details right here. Here is the blueprint of its upcoming movements. We have to have a retracement to the fourth wave, internal fourth wave. Then, guys, we have to complete another leg to the upside that will form another fifth wave, and it will complete the third wave on a slightly bigger scale. And from this bottom, from its lowest point that was established on end of December of 2022, we have to have at least one more leg to the upside that will be much higher than $100 and even $150. I cannot tell you the exact price target for this fifth wave because I don't have this bottom, this top, and this bottom as well. Everything will be disclosed when the price, when the data comes out from market. But in general, guys, Palantir is extremely lucrative company for your long-term investments. But in the medium-term perspective, guys, wait for this retracement in order to collect, in order to have more lucrative average price for this asset. So I think that's all information that I want to provide you. If you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel with notification bell. And see you guys until next time. Bye.
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gone live it up on the attack. Baby, I'm bad, I just wanna get